When the little prince arrived on the earth, he was very much surprised not to see any people. He was beginning to be afraid he had come to the wrong planet, when a call of cold, the color of the moonlight, flashed across the sand. "Good evening," said the little prince cautiously. "Good evening," said the snake. "What planet is this on which I have come down?" asked the little prince. "This is the earth. This is Africa," the snake answered. "Oh, then there are no people on the earth?" "This is the desert. There are no people in the desert. The desert is large," said the snake. The snake said, "What has brought you here?" "I've been having some trouble with the flower," said the little prince. "Oh," said the snake, and they were both silent. "Where are the men?" The little prince at last took up the conversation again. "It is little lonely in the desert. It is also lonely among men," said the snake. The little prince gazed at him for a long time. "You are a funny animal," he said at last. "You are no thicker than a finger." "But I am more powerful than a finger of a king," said the snake. "I carry you farther than any ship could take you," said the snake. He twined himself around the little prince's ankle like a golden bracelet. "Whomever I touch, I send back them to the earth from whence he came," the snake spoke again. "But you are innocent and true, and you come from a star. I can help you someday if you grow too homesick for your own planet. I can." "Oh, I understand you very well," said the little prince. "But why do you always speak in riddles?" "I solve them all," said the snake.